ECP is a therapy which has been evolving over the last 30 years. We still have not been able to find out exactly what the mechanisms of action are, but we hope that in the near future we will find the answer to how it works so that we can use it more efficaciously in the various indications for which it is being used. Right now, actually, the use of photopheresis is more in non-FDA approved indications, such as graft-versus-host disease, control of organ transplant rejection. The most important innovation right now is trying to use photopheresis as a preventive therapy in lung transplant rejection. And we are in the process of running clinical trials in that area. And what is most exciting for this meeting really is the fact that we are going to be initiating next quarter what we call the PROMPT study, which is a prospective control trial to test the guidelines that we published on the use of photopheresis in the treatment of cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. And we're going to see how efficacious the treatment really is, whether the guidelines give us the optimal treatment frequencies, and of course we'll be controlling as well progress-free survival, time to remission, all the standard parameters which you need when you test a medication as such. So we're very excited because over 30 years, most of the published literature suggested retrospective analysis, over 27 studies. And this will be the first time we're going to do a prospective study analyzing the efficacy of photopheresis in its only indication approved by the FDA, which is in the treatment of refractory Sézary syndrome or erythrodermic MF. We expect that we'll be registering our first patients in the first quarter of next year, 2019. So my expectation is that we'll be getting results probably in the middle of 2020, at the end of 2020. We have 19 centers that have already been registered for the trial, and we expect to recruit approximately 43 centers. This is a one-arm prospective study. So we're very excited about that particular prospect for the future. It's a unique treatment, particularly because over 30 years we have been able to show that this treatment modality has actually no significant side effects. It's very well tolerated by the patients. It's considered expensive, but in the landscape of the new checkpoint inhibitors and all the other new drugs, it's a relatively inexpensive drug. It's all relative, of course.